Alrighty, welcome back. Welcome to Pappy Can Do It YouTube channel. I'm Pappy, and I can do it. How you do me a great big favor today? Go down and hit that subscribe button. 96% of you guys watching these are not subscribers. I am trying my best to reach that sweet spot, that 1,000 subscribers. So hit that. If you like the video, you can like it. If you really like it, you can share it. I appreciate it. But today we're going to jump in and do another product review. We had a mail call today. This here come in from a in-scale auction site that I belong to. And we are going to do a product review on this Broadway Limited Imports Paragon Rolling Thunder. It's the GEAC 6000. CSX is the road name, 648 is the number. Paragon 3 with sound, DCC chip in it, dual chip. So this is what we're going to do. I went ahead and took off the tape. That was tough. I tried to record it, but I couldn't. On the back of the jewel case, it tells you all about the premium features. We're not going to go into that. You can if you so desire. But this is the premium in-scale version. And let me take you out and we will see what's in the box. All right. Broadway Limited. We'll just set this to the side. And this usually does this. So you can see here, as in all their models, it comes with the Silica Sand to help with the moisture. And then it comes with this here clear plastic that kind of protects the paint on those. So let's see if we can get this out without falling. There we go. All right, again, on these Broadway Limiteds, we got the foam packing all the way around it. It has the foam packing in the bottom. It's about the only manufacturer I know that does this. And then also in the box is going to come with your warranty card and also a cheat sheet with all the F functions. The F functions. I have a Broadway Limited that I run, and I just keep it right here next to my controller. Alright, so let's set all this stuff to the side and let's look at this engine. Okay, so you can see this locomotive here comes with the shipping foam inside the handrail. We'll get rid of this. We'll get rid of this. Okay. Alright, so this is the side. I'm not focusing, am I? Is it focusing yet? I don't know. Alright, here's the front of the loco. Maybe it'll focus now. How come you're not focusing? I'm not having no fun today, guys. Is it not focusing? I don't know. There it did, I think. Okay. So you can see here on the front, it has the grab irons, the grab bars. Has the ladders, handrails. Has the beautiful Meticulous Paint Job, very crisp. Alright, let me get this on the test track. Hold tight. Okay, 648 is on the track. You can see just sitting on the track that it has cab lights and it has the ditch lights and the F0 turns on the headlights. It has the illuminated number boards, as you can tell. And then the ditch lights are F7, turn them off, and there's all the lights are off. So if I can zoom in here, now we're focused. You can see the windshield wipers and the grab bars and the MU hoses there on the front. You can see all that stuff. Very detailed. And I'm going to turn the headlights back on. I'm going to turn the ditch lights on. And I'm going to unmute it. And here is the bell. The horn. Couple of sounds. F5, rev engine up. F6 is rev engine down. That was not the brake pressing on, that was just radio sounds. F17 is radio sounds. There it is. Okay, and put them forward. Switch it to reverse. Back him up. Slow him down. All right, let's speed him up. Ring the bell. Ditch lights, grade crossing. There it is, pretty neat engine. Okay guys, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And to be entered in the drawing, you need to know the word apple. Put the word apple in comments. Subscribe to my channel and put the word apple in my comments and you'll be registered for the monthly drawing. Thank you. God bless.